What's up, my fine apples? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Get Unready with me. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe because it is free, $99. Also click that bell, and I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So today I'm going to be doing my Get Unready with me, and I have seen these videos. I haven't seen any recently, but I have seen people do it in their actual beauty space, and I'm like, all my products are in my bathroom, so we're going to do it in the bathroom just because it's all here and it's convenient, and I am currently sitting on my toilet. So I decided to do this video, and then all of a sudden I took off my lashes and I was like, wait, I wanted to film a Get Unready. So part of the process are my lashes. These are just like some random lashes I had on my eyes today. I don't know the brand. And all I really do is just take them off very carefully. Do not rip them off because there have been quite a few times where I'm just like, whoosh, and I'm like, ho, ho, ho. I think I ripped some lashes out. Then I look down and there's probably like about 4 or 5. But whenever I take off my lashes, I always start from the inner corner very slowly and then from the outer corner. I have seen some people like soak their lashes, but I feel like if I put oil or whatever, they would just be done. I love to personally wear my lashes so many times, like until it's just like, Lizzy, what are you doing? It's not even like an actual lash. I like to use stuff until it's like Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I like this just because it kind of does like an all over clean. Get like the base of my makeup off. I don't really go right into an oil. I just like to, oh, it just feels so good immediately. I was like, I literally went in my mouth. I was like, it feels so. The reason why I do this is because when I used to use oils all over my face, I noticed that when I was putting them on, I personally, I don't know if it's me, but when I rub my eyes, I get so much of like the gunk in my eyes and I'm like, I can't see. And it's so cloudy. Yeah, this is a lot of product inside my eye. It's legit my mascara, my oil, my foundation, concealer, my set. It's not a good time. I like to do this just to kind of basically take off the base. Whew, I am already looking much more fresh. Here is my mask for today. Not too bad. I have like pretty light makeup on. I actually hold on to this wipe. You may think that's gross, but I have corners that I really don't use and I like to utilize all of my wipe. Okay, so next up, I feel like if I have anything like in my eye, I usually have like mascara. I love super duper waterproof mascaras. So I've been trying this out. They sent it to me and I think it's good. I mean, you can use coconut oil or whatever product that you personally like to use. I'm just using it because I've been testing it out. How do we say that? Shuimura Skin Purifier. It says anti/oxy plus a pollutant and dullness clarifying cleansing oil. So I know they have different types, but this is the one I've been using. So I just do one little pump and I'm very gentle with my eyes and I just bring it around here. Now you don't want to see, this is the thing where I'm like, am I in focus or I'm not? I gotta peek. Okay, yeah, I'm in focus. I don't like getting anything in my eye, so just be really soft in this area. Like I said, you can use something really affordable like coconut oil. I know people love using that. I was using that, but I like testing out different products as well. So now that I feel like I have nothing in my lashes, then that's when I take the corners of the makeup wipe and I utilize them because I want to make sure that I use every little bit of the wipe. I think the coast is clear to open my eyes. Yeah, it is. So see, all of the wipe that's completely clean, I just use that to take the rest of the makeup off. Okay, so next up, I wash my face now that I basically got most of the gunk off, and I'm gonna go to my Clarisonic. I have still been using my Foreo. I got a couple questions like, hey, do you still use your Foreo? I do, but not as often as my Clarisonic. Before I just had like the standard one, but now I use the, I don't know if it's called Gentle or Radiance. I have tried both, whichever one is the softer one and the Radiance one, but this brush in particular is really nice and soft, so I've been really enjoying it. The standard bristles, I don't like it on my face. I find it a little bit too harsh for me personally. And then I'll use my Confidence in a cleanser. This one is by IT Cosmetics. It is so good. Skin Transforming Hydrating Cleansing Serum. So I believe that they kind of said this was like the first, and it says for all skin types, first serum inside of a cleanser. I think it thoroughly cleanses my skin, and the thing that I love about it is like, you do not get that feeling. I don't like that, especially at nighttime. I know people may want to like that because they're like, oh, no oils, but you're just drying your skin out and then your skin's gonna end up producing even more oils because it's like, I need moisture. So it's good to moisturize your skin even if you do have oily skin. I have oily T-zone and I'm normal all around. Sometimes I'm a little dry around my nose. I literally just feel that little circle right there and that's all I put. I use this only at nighttime. I always use these little headbands. This one is from Daiso, and I like it because it doesn't get in my hair and it blocks my hair from getting wet. I know that there's like a whole thing where 20 seconds on this side, and then when it beeps, like transfer it to like the other side, but I personally just go to the beat of my own drum. Watch, you'll hear it. And I just go all over. See, boop, boop. It means like go to like the next area. There's like a whole sequence. But don't forget, whenever you wash your face, always do your neck. See? Look at all the extra makeup. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it really deep cleans. Even though I did like the oil and the makeup remover wipe, this stuff is like, whew, the final step to like scrub-a-dub-dub. Okay, I'm just gonna pat myself dry. I really love these little towels. I always buy like a pack maybe every 6 months, I would say. And I got mine at Target for super cheap, and it's just multicolor little baby facial towels. What brand is this? This one says, I thought it said Pillow Fart, but it's Pillow Fort right there. Not fart. I don't like using the same towel over and over. Like here's another one I had from earlier. The most I'll use the towel is maybe like 2 to the most 3 times, just because I don't want it to hold any residual or maybe possible bacteria and all that stuff. So don't want to constantly always use the same towel that, you know, because it's kind of soiled and it's wet and it's just like, oh, bacteria, I love this towel. Oh, I forgot a step, sorry. I obviously already finished the video, but I forgot to tone my face. This is the one I use. I always do it right after I wash my face. Okay, onto the video. Sorry. Now, this might be a little overwhelming for you guys, but I'm just gonna show you what I'm currently using. I keep grabbing things. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the 4 serums that I'm currently using. The first one being Murad. You guys know I've always been a big, huge fan of Murad, and this one is the Environmental Shield Rapid Age Spot Correcting Serum, Clinical Strength, right here. So I do have some hyperpigmentation, if you can see right here. I feel like when I went to Tahiti too, just being in the sun, it really brought it out even more. So I started using this baby in, I would say like at the end of July, and now we're in September. So I feel like it has lightened this area, because when I came back home, it was much darker substantially, and I was like, oh man, but it's because I couldn't constantly put SPF like every freaking hour, you know. It was not realistic. Ole Hendrickson Glow Cycle Retin ALT Power Serum. They did send this one to me. It has like a lot of good benefits. I'll put it like here on the side, but I know this is a brand new product. Next up, I'm almost done with this baby. This is the Origins Plantscription. Origins is probably like my new love. I was like ride or die for Murad. I still am, but Origins is like my new love. It's not like it's replaced it. It's just an amazing brand. Anti-Aging Power Serum. Really love this one as well. And then the last one is, I just started using this one about a month ago, the Lancome Advanced Genifique and Youth Activating Concentrate. So you may think I'm crazy, but this is what I've been doing. A pump, like a little pump of Plantscription, a full pump of the Murad, do a little pump of that other one, and it's not like a ton of product. It honestly is the perfect amount to put a thin layer all over the face. And you want to do your serums and oils first. Then I take my Lancome Genifique and I place that, it's a little dropper. And I go like this is what I do every time. Boop. And I drop it down my face, because then I just take it from here and I bring it, and that's it. Just because you put a lot of something doesn't mean it's going to be more powerful. All you need is a thin layer. I've been combining my serums and it's worked for me, and they all do different things, so I'm definitely a fan. This is a new thing I've been implementing into my skincare routine. This is from Skin Gym. I got this in like a random like box. I think it was from Garnier, but you can pick this up at Nordstrom, because I looked it up because one side was kind of annoying because it squeaks a little bit, but these are super popular. You can get them on Amazon. Even Sephora launched some of their own. So this one is rose quartz, and there are jade rollers. And what you do is you just take the roller and you just roll your skin up, and it feels really nice and cool. And I don't personally put mine in the fridge, but I know people do. And you want to make sure you're going up, and this is going to be great for lymphatic drainage and also depuffing of the skin. Since I started doing this, I have noticed my skin has obviously push the product in more. That's another reason why I like it. This doesn't hold on to the product at all. It's really pushing it into the skin to soak it in. And I've noticed since using this, it is chiseling my chin area more and underneath here. It's really been helping. I can tell because I usually get weight gain in my face immediately. And if you guys have been following me, I have had some back issues and I wasn't able to exercise or dance for like the last 3 weeks, and just finally this week I started dancing and going to the gym, which I just feel so happy. But besides that, I've been noticing that my face looks more chiseled, and I feel like it's not due to diets because I wasn't doing the best with my diet. This has really helped. I'm not saying this makes you look like 20 pounds more thin, but I have noticed more definition in my face. Now, same thing, you want to roll up and away. And it's actually really relaxing. It relaxes my face. I feel like sometimes I'm so tense in my face as well. Now they do have the smaller side, and this one you can bring underneath your eye. When I do my skincare routine, this whole thing at the end of the day is so relaxing to me. Honestly, not even a burden to do. I mean, maybe if you're like drunk and you're like, oh my gosh, skincare routine. When I really get super lazy, no matter what, I will always take my makeup off and then slam on one serum, but always an eye cream. And yeah, I at least do that. Now you don't have to do this for a long time. And then of course, don't forget the neck. I added serum to my neck as well, which you definitely want to do, and bring it up. Don't go back and forth. You want to bring it up. Okay, now that I did that, it literally soaked all the serums into my skin. Like there's no like crazy residual left on here. Then I go ahead and just wash this off like lightly and just let it dry, just so I don't like build up a bunch of stuff on there, because it's not like it's completely clean. And then afterwards, that's when I go into my moisturizer. The moisturizer I've been using at night is the It Cosmetics Secret Sauce. I know that one sounds super funny. When I think of secret sauce, I think like, I don't know, like In-N-Out spread or something. It's nothing that's too heavy though, so it's just perfect in my opinion. I just go boop, boop, right here, boop, 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 and then 1, 2. And I just bring this into my skin. But whenever I bring the creams, I always bring it up so you don't drag the skin down, so always up. And it's like a little massage to your face, I'm telling you. On the neck. And then you don't have to use like a ton of product either. If you want to use like the roller with this, you can, but I don't. I just really push it in with my serums. Okay, so next up is eye cream. I've been using this one because I am almost done. It is my Murad Renewing Eye Cream. I think it is an amazing eye cream, but the other day I started using my Laneige eye sleeping mask, and I really like it. It comes with like a little ball, and you kind of massage your eye with it, so I don't know how I feel about that. I just use it really for application, but I'm trying to use this baby up, so this one is so good. Like I'm telling you, it really helps with my fine lines, really hydrates. It's a pricey one. I absolutely love it. I just do a little tap right there, and then a tap. You don't need too much. And then I just bring it and just tap it, and I bring it all the way up to the orbital bone. And then whatever residual I have left, I kind of just place it on my lid, and that's it. I don't put a lot on my lid. And I notice when I hydrate my eyelids, they're not as oily. And it holds my eyeshadow more when I put like my primer and stuff. So if you guys have oily lids, moisturize your eyelids, because that also is a part of your skin. Then as far as lips, I love my Laneige lip sleeping mask. I think this is like the best $20 I've ever spent. This thing has lasted so long. I can't even believe I can see. Well, actually I saw the bottom because I was like, how much more do I have? Because there's just so much in here. I don't only use it for nighttime. I also use it during the day because it's just so hydrating. So when I'm just like editing or at my desk, I just put it on. I'm like, yes. Okay, so last thing is a facial spray. Sometimes I'll just spray with like whatever one I have. Like I really like the Pixie ones, like the Milky Mist. That one's one of my favorites for nighttime. I also love this one, which is the Mario Badescu, just because it has lavender in it. So it's very calming to the skin, and it just, lavender is just calming in itself. So it's really nice just to have. So it's really nice just to spray this before bed. It just feels like you're in a spa, and you just, puts you in that right mindset. Like, I'm ready for some dreams and not nightmares. I'll just take this off. I don't keep this on, but see like how my hair doesn't have product in it. It's not wet for me washing my hair. This was only $1.50, so they have a bunch of them at Daiso. Don't pay any more. If you don't have a Daiso, Amazon or eBay or something, but I think this one is great because I don't get any product or anything in my hair, and I am good to go. All right, guys, so that is my Get Unready With Me routine, basically like my nighttime skincare, but taking off my makeup and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Mwah!